Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a domain name and hosting, and then how you can set up WordPress on your hosting. So if you are planning to have a website and you want to get a domain name and hosting, then this video is for you. And for creating any type of websites, that is either a personal website, a business website, e-commerce websites, you will need to have a domain name and hosting. And basically domain name is your website name. People will land on your page on your website after typing the URL. Let me show you. If I type this URL, this will take me to my website. So basically this is my domain name. And hosting in simple words is an online storage where your website files will be stored, where you can manage SSL certificate, your domains, your emails, your databases, PHP versions, and everything related to your website will be managed in the control panel in the hosting. You can also contact your hosting provider for any issue on your website, or you can fix your issues right in the cPanel. And there are multiple platforms available that will provide you domain and hosting. The one I would suggest is Hostinger, and if you follow this link in the description, you will get a discount on hosting. You will also get a free domain with hosting. Let me show you. So if you go to this link in the description and scroll down, you will see the plans here. So this is for single website, as you can see, single WordPress, WordPress starter, and so on. And these are the pricing. You can see very normal and very affordable. If you scroll down, you will learn more about these plans. So here you can host one website, you will get this amount of storage, this amount of bandwidth. This one doesn't include a free domain and have weekly backups and so on. And with all these three plans, you will also get a free domain, unlimited SSL, which is this lock icon. This make your website trustworthy and secure. And you can get this amount of RAM, this amount of cores of CPU, and so on. Please don't get confused here. Just select any of these plans based on your budget and based on your website visitor and storage. And normally this plan will work for you. As you can see, this is most popular one. So just add this to cart. And this will take you to cart page where you can see the overview of the plan that you have selected. And then you can scroll down and you can choose a free rate. So if you want to get this for 1 month, 12 months, 24, and so on. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Now the normal price here is $432, but if you scroll down, with the discount you will get this hosting with $143 USD, and this is for 4 years. So just create an account here or log in with Facebook or Google, then pay for this hosting, and you will get this hosting for 4 years with a free domain for 1 year. So once you pay for this, then this will take you to its dashboard. Let me show you. And this is how your dashboard will look. And you will see the hosting plan that you have selected with your domain name. And you can also create free domain emails using this plan. So this is how you can get a domain name and hosting. And now let me show you how you can install WordPress on your hosting. So to install WordPress, just go to your dashboard like this, and then click on manage in front of your hosting. So let's click on this. And before installing WordPress, let me visit the domain just to show you. You can see there is nothing and we are set to go, which means that our domain is ready. We just need to install WordPress on this. So let's go back, and to install WordPress you can scroll down, go to websites, and you will see WordPress. Just click on that, and if you don't see WordPress, you can go to auto installer and you will find WordPress. So let's click on WordPress, and the first option is to detect WordPress. So if you are not sure that this domain has WordPress or not, you can detect your WordPress by clicking here. So this is brand new domain and we don't have any WordPress installation here, so I'll just click on install WordPress. And here we can type our website title, our email, username and password, and we'll select our domain. That's it. So let me quickly fill this, and here make sure to choose HTTPS, and don't write anything here. We want our website directly on our domain, and then we'll click next, and then you can select the WordPress version. So the most recent one is recommended. You can choose your website language. Disk-based and PHP version are fine, and you can select update only minor version. And then click install, and that's it. Now this will install WordPress on this domain, and I'll show you. And now you can notice the dashboard is different, and if you scroll down you will see more options, and you will also see WordPress version installed here. And now let's check our domain. So if I refresh this, we got a 2023 theme with Hello World Post. You can find this theme and the post in the WordPress dashboard, and to access the WordPress dashboard you can go back, and here you can click on edit website, and this will take you to WordPress dashboard. And this is the WordPress dashboard where we can install themes, we can install plugins, and we can start creating the website. So this is how you can get a domain and hosting for your website, and then how you can set up WordPress on your domain. And to learn more about WordPress, themes, plugins, and how you can create a website, you can follow my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. And still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.